What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today to present some big opportunities for everyone. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am just doing this to put you guys on the plays and educating everyone on the things that I am interested in. And again, if you believe in the things that I talk about, do your own due diligence, do your own research, look into it, and if you agree, make sure you pounce, because right now we are seeing some strong buying opportunities in the market. So don't sleep. First, without further ado, please, if you have not joined the Discord, I have a free Discord open to every single person. All you need to do is download the app and then hop in and start talking to us. Start talking stocks, because that's what we're here for. We want to know your stock picks. We want to know what you're buying and selling. And if you're interested, we have some things that we want to share too. Feel free to message me. I'm here to talk pretty much all the time. Just have limited time where I can respond, especially in the work week. One other thing, before I get going on the video, guys, if you haven't already, use the link below to download Webull so you can start trading in the pre-market and the aftermarket. Gives it a competitive advantage over some of the other brokerages. As long as you deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks. All right, let's start. JAGX, Jaguar Health. All right, guys, Jaguar Health, we saw it pull back significantly after the announcement that they are going to go ahead with a SPAC merger for Napo EU, Napo Pharmaceuticals, the Mytesi, the pharmaceutical manufacturer for Mytesi, one of the products that Jaguar Health currently has. We saw it pull back 20% from its all-time high in the last 5 days. In the last month, we know it went up to about $4, a little further than that. So again, guys, if you believe in this company, you're long on it. When we see the market bleed, we buy the dip. So go ahead, keep Jaguar Health on your radar, please, because I think we're going to see some pretty substantial news and potential with JAGX. And again, for me, on Monday, I'm going to try to buy some more, because I'm considering myself buying the dip. Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM, 92 cents a share, guys. Again, didn't see it pull back too much, about 14-15%, and it went up a little bit higher in the aftermarket. We know that the true forma is coming out March. Anything under 90 cents for Zomedica, I think, is a pretty strong buying opportunity. Again, do your own research. Look at the true forma. What do you think it is? Where do you think it stands against its competitors? But again, a point of care diagnostic test for pets, the dogs and cats specifically, that has pretty good accuracy. They have a distributor on their team to start distributing their product come end of March, beginning of Q2 in April. So guys, keep Zomedica on your radar, please, because I think we're going to see some, substantial price action over the next couple months until March. And then come March, if you want to sell, go for it. If you want to sell along the way when you make money, go for it. I'm not a person that tells you to buy or sell anything, but when you make gains, don't get greedy. And set your trailing stop losses, 5-10%, especially for these penny stocks, because we don't know what's going to happen with volatility. Remember that. SENS, ticker symbol SENS. Guys, this one here is something that I am more than thrilled and excited about. I haven't covered it on the channel, but we talked about it in the Discord. We talked about it in the live stream. And again, the 5 day we saw pull back 25%. They're currently about to go through FDA approval for their 180-day continuous glucose monitoring device. As a pharmacist, I see patients who are on 14-day CGM devices. I'll shorten continuous glucose monitoring systems to CGM devices. Again, these 2-week devices, Dexcom is the current market leader, and we also have Freestyle or Freestyle Libre is a specific product. These are multi-billion-dollar, I'm talking $20-30 billion market cap companies, with just mainly the focus for Freestyle. They have other testing devices as well, but Dexcom, their focus is the CGM device. Senseonics right now is at 800 million. So again, you're gonna be considered an early adopter if you get in on this one. So for me, I already bought quite a bit of shares, and right now I'm at a net loss because again, I bought in maybe the 260 range. But for me, again, I'm seeing buying opportunities now that it's dropped back even more. So what do we do in the dip, guys? We buy the dip. We buy the dip in companies we believe in. ATOS Therapeutics, ATOS, talked about it last week. We saw a significant run up. We bought at $2.60 or so. We saw it run up all the way to $3.76. But again, because the market bled, pullback, a 41% pullback. For all of you who have asked me to cover ATOS Therapeutics, this one wasn't on my radar until we spoke about it in the Discord. 40% decrease from its all-time high in the past week. What's that tell you and what's that tell me? Buying opportunity. Say it with me, buying opportunity. If you believe in the company long term. If you don't, stay away from it. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. GEVO. Guys, this is not a penny stock, but I'm super excited with what we saw last week. GEVO. Again, Their co-founder is on the Biden science team. We know that they have some exciting things on their pipeline. We're switching to a green-focused next 4 years presidency. Again, priorities have shifted. You have to understand that. So some of these companies have some pretty strong potential. So for anyone who bought in at $14 and we saw it pull back 27%, you know what this is. Another buying opportunity. Don't sleep on GEVO. Guys, I know I'm going to chat a little bit more on it. My average cost is still below what it is now. But again, I might average up a little bit or wait for more of a pullback depending on how next week goes. We'll see what happens come Monday. We'll watch what happens in the pre-market. And yeah, don't miss out on GEVO. If you haven't got any skin in the game, maybe buy a little bit, set a strike price, get some skin in the game, and then slowly average down if it pulls back, or ride the wave if it rides back up. Last but not least, the biggest stock that I think everyone needs to pounce on this coming week because of the significant pullback we saw, because we might never see this kind of pullback again. Tesla, TSLA, guys. Tesla. It peaked almost at $900 on Monday. $900. We saw a significant pullback after earnings report the next morning. But again, the market pulled back as a whole this past week, an 11% decrease in Tesla. For anyone that's long on Tesla, anyone who sold their Tesla shares after they saw the market pull back, I know you probably are going to regret it. Again, not a financial advisor by any means, but you need to make sure if it's a company you believe in, it's a company you're long term on, especially for all of us who will think, Tesla is going to Mars, not just the moon. We know that right now, 11% decrease in price over a course of a week, that is what we call a significant buying opportunity. So I wouldn't even go with strike price for Tesla. Rather, on Monday, get some skin in the game if you haven't. A lot of people that I know have been telling me, let's look at the 6 month. People told me Tesla's overvalued. Don't buy in at $400. Actually, it was at $350. I decided, you know what? I'm going to get some skin in the game, see what happens. Since then, I have no regrets. I'm up 140% on my initial investment. But guess what? It's hard because it's hard to average up when we see a stock go up. But when we see it pull back down from its all-time high, significantly, about 10%, that's what I call a buying opportunity, folks. So everybody, be careful, of course. I always tell you this. We don't know where the end is, right? If you look back at the 1 year, what happened in March? Not too much of a pullback for Tesla, but we did see a significant enough pullback where a lot of people started getting worried. And again, that's when the market took a little bit of a crash, a big hit, but no one knew when it was going to end. So again, over the course of a week, the market pulled back significantly. Guess what happened this week? The market pulled back significantly. So next week could be the rebound. Could take another week. But remember, don't put all your chips in one basket. Put in a little bit of money right on Monday and then average down. That's what I'm doing, at least. So again, not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Please be careful, everyone. I don't want you guys coming to the Discord and saying, oh, I'm down substantially after, buying the Tesla on Monday. No, that's not the deal here. We're trying to buy in, average down. Don't put all your chips in one basket. I'm going to say that over and over again. I appreciate every single one of you who have been supporting the channel. We're growing massively, so thank you all for joining the Discord. Thank you for using the Webull affiliate link. It helps the channel tremendously. So until next time, everybody, we'll see you on Monday. Take care. Happy investing.